Tony's RC Tech, and what have I got today? I've got my first hobby grade crawler. Right, so like in previous videos I've had to do crawling with the lads and all that, the tipsters and the Pauls and the Sams and the flat out gyms, right? So anyways, so I've had to borrow their cars, so I've got my own now. I'm going to try and be as quick as possible, but you know what unboxings is? It can go past 15 minutes, I don't know. If you want to fast forward me gabbing on and just go straight to the car, you can do. But anyway, I have to show you the box it comes in. So it's a big box. And I got this from Model Sport, right? So I have to do this bit here. If we can just do this bit. Right, it was packed better than that, by the way. I had to cut it. So I just want to show you Model Sport packing. And believe me, oh my God, they pack. Right, so put all this bubble stuff in. All this bubble stuff in. Proper packed. Paper, right? So, and they even give me, right, magazines, I think that's it, right? So they give me on all Savox's motors and ESCs, servos, everything you want to know. Fantastic book. That's good to know that, guys, because you know your servos and all that, so you've got all a good range of things in there. Absolutely amazing, all colour as well. So you got that with it. We've also got a Traxxas magazine as well, and all the latest Traxxas cars coming out, all in colour again. Right, so that's good to know as well. Also, because I like FTX, they've got the magazine with the FTX and all FTX's cars. What are coming up, and, well, what are they now? And honest to God, I didn't realise there's that many. And I like FTX, and all full, look at that, oh, absolutely amazing magazine that. Look, with all spares and everything, unbelievable. Thanks Model Sport for that. Right, so let's just get to it. So it is the FTX, let me try and get it out. Right, so I'll get rid of this box. Well packaged. And by the way guys, it came within a day. I ordered it and then the next day it came, absolutely superb. Now it doesn't look too bad now. Right, so this is absolutely amazing, look at that. Right, so I looked online on this, and there's not that many videos of this, but I like the fact that it's got 4-mode, 4-wheel steering system on it. And obviously it's a rock crawler, it's a 2.4 gigahertz radio. Right, let's just get it open, because I'm just excited. You know what I'm like, guys. So, oh my God. Right, and that's the first time I've opened this, by the way. Oh my God. And this is a 1/10 scale, by the way, guys. Oh my God. And the box is amazing as well. Oh my God, guys. I can just take that off there. Take that off there. Easy peasy. Wow. Wow, look at that, guys. A 1/10 scale. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my God, I am made up. Now I'll just try and get a closer look on that. I think you can see it, guys. But look at that. Unbelievable. The tyres feel absolutely amazing. Right, and the good thing about this, guys, it was £99 from Model Sport. £99. Right, so here's the remote control. Oh, I can't even get to the remote control. Hang on. Hang on. The battery's already in it, by the way. Let's have a look at this. Oh man, I love it. Wow. Right. Wow, look at that. And they give you tools as well. Give you a nice set of tools and free, like, it looks like hubs and all that stuff, and you know, all kinds of stuff. And then you've got the remote control there, guys, which is here. I don't know if you can see it, like, but it's got all kinds of different, again, I haven't read up on this or nothing like that. Oh man, look at that. Oh my God, look at that. The absolute, honest to God, absolutely amazing. Right, so anyway, it's got 4 pins here. Love it. my first proper crawler, guys. Right, here we go, 4 pins, easy. And look at that. It just looks so easy to work on as well. Unbelievable. And there's the battery there. And by the looks of it as well, you can put a longer battery in there. So it's got the small one in there, but you can actually put a longer one there with the strap. Easy. And then you've got the Deans connected, but I think it's mini Deans, so I'll be changing them anyway to, yes, mini Tamiya. And I'll be changing them to Deans, so you can get more like range of batteries really. But oh my God, I love it, absolutely love it. So just basically a quick unboxing here, guys, of this car. Obviously I've not got it running, so I'll tell you what I'll do is I'll pause it and then put the batteries and get it all up and running. Right guys, I'm in my living room, right? Bigger space than my man cave. So I'm just going to show you the modes, the different modes, right? So if you have a look on here, I've got it on mode 1. I don't know if you can see that. Right, so I've got mode 1, which is normal, like front steering. So I can just go around like that. It's quite fast as well. Right, so then obviously you can go over stuff like that. And I can show you how slow you can do it as well. So if you just like go really slow, and go really slow, yeah. So I'll just show you that. Anyway, so that's front mode anyway, front steering. Then you press it again, and then you've got what's it called? Opposite steering. So you can go like that, opposite steering, so you can basically turn really tight corners, as you can see, like that. So again, if you have a look on here, you can just turn like that, and then turn like that. So you can do that, and then you've got the opposite mode wheels. That's all I can say, opposite mode, which is quite weird. If you have a look, look at that. That's just weird but fun. Love it. Right, so that's that one, and then you've got just the back wheels. Then if you want to just move the back wheels, so back wheels like that, and then you go over like that and just move the back wheels like that, dun, 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 and then back over like that. So that's just basically a quick run like that, and then you go back to normal mode, which is there, which is front steering. So easy to use this remote control. Anyway guys, I'm going to flip it back now because I need to do the shout out. Okay. Well guys, that's the FTX RAVINE. Absolutely fantastic. I love it. I love it. Look at that. I just have to show you that again. Look at that. That is amazing. Look, both wheels on the ground. I could probably go even further. It just won't let me because it's just like... Look at that, guys. Unbelievable. Anyway, so that's the FTX RAVINE. Yeah, look at the body on it. It's unbelievable. And the plastic comes off as well. I really do want to take the plastic off. Oh, no, leave it. Leave it for when it gets scratched and I can just peel it off and it'll be like a new car again. Anyways, let's get to it. So, at the back of this as well, it's got like made up tools and all that, like a oil can. But I'm going to do my own little weathering on this to make it more realistic with the guys and everything. So I'll paint the steering wheel and the guys and all that stuff. So I'll have a go with that, just to make it more authentic really. So anyway, so I won a competition 2 weeks ago with RC Wolf, his first competition, and I won a tool set. Fantastic little tool set. On his, it says congratulations on the card, and then he's given me a card as well saying, Tony, congratulations for being the first winner of the giveaway from from RC Wolf Hobby Club. Thanks for your support. No, thank you, mate. Really appreciate it. And I am going to be using these tools because, funny enough, it's got a bit of a space at the back there. So I'll be like putting these tools, I don't know, in like sort of that kind of way. So fits perfect, really. So it's got them there. There's just the axe. I've just put them on like that. And then you just see already, straight away, I'm not even finished. So that looks superb. So that's little tools there. So thank you very much, RC Wolf. Get on his channel, guys. He's apparently giving a giveaway every month. So get on to RC Wolf. Again, thank you very much. So that's my little unboxing. Well, I'll say little, it took its time. Anyway, and a little test at the end. So that's Tony's RC Tech, the FTX RAVINE. A boom!